Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we've got a quick and easy one just to remove the wing mirror on a F56 hatchback. So all you need to do, so unlike previous generations, you don't see that bolt head. There's a little cap over it to try and distract thieves, because I think previously you'd open that up and they'd be able to whip it out, but you literally just need a flathead screwdriver to pop that out. So we'll just grab that now, and all we do is get underneath this little cap and flip it out the way. Not the easiest to do, and this is the first time I've actually ever done it, but there you go. So all it is, focus, a little cap that pops in there, and then you need a hex 5 bit. You should be able to whip that out. That's that one out. Can we... Then what we'll need to do is just remove that, because we need to turn. There we go. Got that out. Then we need to do the same in just reversing that, and I'll bring the camera around to show you. Just onto this side. We do exactly the same again here. We need to remove that little cap. It just pings off. And then again, use your hex bit. That. Okay. And then, if you don't get your tool stuck, we'll see then. Here's the wiring. We just pinch and pull to remove. So if you've got to refit a different wing mirror, because if you've broken this one, whack that on. You just reverse the steps that we've just followed, so it's nice and easy. Okay, so that was nice and easy just to remove that. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.